Staying at the Hyatt Regency Orlando Airport before your cruise is super convenient, and for Disney cruise goers, there's an extra touch of magic. To get there, just head to Concourse B and take the elevator or escalator up to the lobby. Our room was a standard 2-queen room. Let's take a look. A couple of tips for this hotel. There are multiple restaurants in the Orlando airport that you can get to by just heading back down the escalator or elevator that you came up. Another is that you can have store deliveries dropped off right at the lobby. This is great when you want to have a case of water or maybe some snacks to bring onto your cruise. If you're taking Disney transportation to your Disney cruise, the magic begins the next morning. Just leave your bags with your luggage tags on right inside your hotel room. They'll magically appear right outside your stateroom on the ship. After you leave your bags, head on down to the lobby. A cast member will give you stickers and a time that you should board your bus. Once you're on the bus, you can sit back, relax, watch some cartoons and trivia, and wait to see the ship come into view. By taking Disney transportation from the Hyatt MCO, you're most likely to get one of the earlier boarding times. So get on the ship, have some lunch, explore, and by the time you can go to your room, your bags will be right there.